Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here at Baxter Cycle today, and look what we have found. This is a Royal Enfield Himalayan 2023. A friend of mine owns this. He's done a little bit of work to it, and he's only just begun. This is his second Royal Enfield, and he owns 3 Royal Enfields, by the way. But we're going to kind of go over the, so this video is going to be about what he did to add to it. So basically, so just a brief thing about the Himalayan. It's a single cylinder, 411cc, single overhead cam, 2-valve engine, 5-speed transmission, about a 58-inch wheelbase, 21-inch front tire. That's really important. 21-inch front tire. It's a great gravel road bike. It's made for Iowa gravel roads, or wherever you might be. It's an ADV. So what we're going to talk about are the add-ons that he's done to this particular one, and I don't know where to start. Let's start with the bags. So he's got these trail packs 2.0. They're supposed to be waterproof. He's got this magnetic tank bag. You can just pull it off. He's showing me how it works. He's got this, it says Power Rage exhaust pipe, and it actually sounds pretty good. Put this bag on, or this box on himself. He got this at, I think, I don't know where he got it, but he bought this big plate for the bottom, and that plate was made to fit right on this tailpiece from the Royal Enfield. But he put this box on top, and then he, it's big enough that, look inside here, I'm sure you won't mind, right? It's got a helmet in there, bag, coat. So there's plenty of storage in there. And it's supposed to be waterproof, the box is. Coming over here, let's see if we can spot anything else. Oh, we put these risers on, and he was happy with it until he tried to, said the bolts they sent weren't long enough to put the bracket in to hold the cable. So he's going to do something about that. But the big thing that he's really proud of is this one. So the stock Himalayan windshield is about like this. He bought this one. It says Power Bronze on it, but it's got this adjustability here. You can go up and down with it. Looks like you have to use an Allen wrench to do it, but he tells me he's got it adjusted. It looks like it's all the way up. He's a pretty big guy. He said he's got it adjusted so it's just perfect for him with his helmet on. That's kind of interesting, isn't it? And he's just kind of beginning with this one. He has a Royal Enfield Classic 350, number 351, I think. We've done videos on it already, and he's modded the heck out of that. And we went out to his farm pasture land and drove all over out there. I was on my Himalayan. Well, he ended up buying one of these, and today he just bought another one of these, the same color as mine, Rosa. Red and black, but just a kind of a gorgeous bike, isn't it? So the thing to notice about this is the chocolate seat, the chocolate lettering on the side here, and the chocolate stripe on top of the silver. I think it's Silver Mirage or Mirage Silver or something like that. And the other thing to notice is it's a 2023, and something I just learned when I drove this just now. In 2023, they moved the gear indicator. Let this wind up. This is now the gear indicator over here. So this is first gear 1. Neutral, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had heard about that, but I'd never seen it before. Fire truck. Otherwise, it's pretty much the same as before. On my Himalayan, the gear indicator's over here. I think he also might have moved the sensor for the temperature. But kind of neat, isn't it? He's talking about he wants to do different grip yet. I don't know what he wants to do with the seat. He may not want to do anything with the seat. It's a good-looking seat. But it's kind of a good-looking bike, isn't it? He's done well so far. Now he also has, like I said, he just signed the paperwork on another one just like this for his wife. The same color as the one I have, the red and black. He lives on a really cool, look at, he's got dirt back there ready. He lives on a really neat mud road, near a really neat mud road. And he and I were out there banging around on that the other day, a couple days back, and just having a ball on it. But so the other one of these that he's getting, he brought some sort of link. I can't remember the brand. He told me you're supposed to be able to drop it 2 to 4 inches, and it's for his wife. So he wants to drop the suspension 2 to 4 inches, and I think that'll really change the way of the bike. Another thing to say real quick is the pipe. Since we're standing right here, he says the pipe is did add substantially to the power. At least he feels it does. And I don't know if he did the air filter. I know he did the air filter on his Classic and loved it. But I think he needs a foot on it. I'm kind of worried about that as the bike leans. But just a nice, really nice example. every year they make these. I've ridden these from, I think 2018 was the first year they came to America, and I've ridden every year, and every year they get better. They ride better, they perform better, everything works better, the quality goes up on every one of them. Oh, he bought this at Baxter, Omaha. We're here at Baxter's in Marnie, Baxter Cycle in Marnie. Royal Enfield building, Triumph building, classic bikes in the back, storage all over town. But anyway, a very good example of this, I thought. I love these bikes, and I just love looking at them. If you've got something like this and have modded it out, get a hold of me, we'll do a video of it. One of my favorite bikes to video. Hey, if it's nice to ride, get out there and ride, my friends. Wahoo!